Hey guys, welcome to MadTech. Today we'll be learning how to view delivered orders in Temu, and now let's dive right in. Now to view delivered orders in Temu, first open up your Temu app on your phone. And after opening your Temu app, guys, on this interface at the bottom of the screen, you can see the U button available for us. Tap on the U button at the bottom middle section of the screen, and this kind of interface will be available for you, where you can see the your orders option available for us. Tap on your orders option over here, which is the second one just below the messages. And when you land over here at the top of the screen, you can see currently we are on the all orders option, but at the right side of the all orders there is the processing, shipped, and the delivered available for us. Now all of your delivered orders from your Temu account or your Temu app will be shown to you over here and will be available or listed over here. And with that being said, guys, this is how you will be able to view your delivered orders in Temu. And if you have any confusions or questions regarding the topic, feel free to comment in the comment section below, and don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that bell icon for more videos. Thank you for watching, guys. Peace.